Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 18th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI market roundup. Breaking news. Apple sues OpenAI, and the AI money might be coming back out. Top stories this week. Apple's big lawsuit could disrupt OpenAI's IPO plans. Apple filed a trade secrets lawsuit against OpenAI last Friday, alleging a pattern of misconduct reaching all the way up to OpenAI's leadership. This legal action threatens to complicate OpenAI's reported IPO preparations, introducing regulatory and reputational risk at a critical juncture for the company. Databricks hits $188 billion valuation, extending its run as AI's favorite second act. Databricks has remade its image into an AI company and published research on the cost savings of open-weight AI models for coding. This valuation surge underscores the market's appetite for AI infrastructure and data platforms that enable enterprise AI adoption. Neil Reimer thinks the AI money is coming back out. Neil Reimer, co-founder of Index Ventures, predicts the historic wealth AI is generating in Silicon Valley will have to be redistributed, voluntarily or involuntarily. His remarks signal a growing debate about wealth inequality and the societal impact of AI-driven concentration of capital. This week's biggest takeaway: AI is generating massive wealth and legal battles, forcing a reckoning on redistribution and governance. AI tools of the week. Amazon Quick Sales AI Agent, an agentic AI teammate for sales organizations covering the entire sales cycle from prospecting to deal closure. This week, AWS announced its capabilities to transform sales workflows. Part of AWS, typically usage-based pricing. Amazon Quick Mobile Layout Dashboard. New mobile layout for quick dashboards, enabling teams to interact with controls on small screens without pinch and zoom. Announced this week. Free with Amazon Quick subscription. Smartsheet Remote MCP Server on AWS Productivity. Smartsheet built a remote MCP server on AWS, focusing on security, governance, scaling, and deployment. Announced this week. Available with Smartsheet Enterprise plans. NVIDIA NeMo Automodel plus diffusers, coding. Fine-tune video and image models at scale using NVIDIA NeMo Automodel and Hugging Face diffusers. Announced this week. Free to use with NVIDIA and Hugging Face accounts. OpenAI AI Scorecard Productivity, a practical AI scorecard to measure ROI through useful work, cost per successful task, dependability, and return on compute. Introduced by OpenAI CFO Sarah Fryer. Free. This week's standout. Amazon Quick because it integrates agentic AI directly into sales workflows, a high-impact enterprise use case. AI automation and agents this week. Monday.com AI agents. Monday.com welcomed AI agents to its platform, marking a shift in how work gets done. This integration allows users to automate tasks and workflows using AI agents directly within Monday.com. Available with Monday.com paid plans. Deloitte on agentic AI for banks. Deloitte published a guide on how banks can supercharge intelligent automation with agentic AI. The report outlines strategies for deploying AI agents in banking for tasks like fraud detection and customer service. Free report. Limited news this week. No other major automation or agent platform launches were reported this week. Limited news this week. No other major automation or agent platform launches were reported this week. Limited news this week. No other major automation or agent platform launches were reported this week. This week's automation highlight: Monday.com AI agents because it brings agentic AI to a mainstream project management platform, democratizing automation for millions of users. Cloud vendors this week. Azure, OpenAI, Microsoft. No major update this week. AWS Bedrock, SageMaker, Amazon announced Amazon Quick, an agentic AI teammate for sales, and a new mobile layout for quick dashboards. This week focused on practical enterprise AI tools. Vertex AI, Gemini, Google Cloud, no major update this week. Oracle Cloud AI, no major update this week. IBM Watson X, no major update this week. Mistral, Cohere, Other, no major update this week. Biggest week, AWS, with two notable product announcements, Amazon Quick and its mobile layout, that directly address enterprise sales and mobile productivity. Global AI Spotlight. G7 leaders discussed AI security risks and the economy, underscoring the need for coordinated governance. The Compute Coalition, proposed by the Carnegie Endowment, aims to build the future of AI in the free world, emphasizing strategic AI infrastructure. Canada and India were highlighted as potential shapers of a new AI order, suggesting a shift toward multipolar AI development. Meanwhile, the AI and insurance market is projected for significant growth through 2035, indicating sector-specific AI adoption is accelerating globally. Trend of the week. This week's clear trend is the escalating tension between AI value creation and its societal consequences. Databricks' $188 billion valuation and the launch of premium AI agents like Virtu's $6.880 device show that AI is generating enormous wealth, especially in Silicon Valley. At the same time, Neil Reimer's warning that this money must be redistributed, Apple's lawsuit against OpenAI, and G7 discussions on AI security risks all point to a growing backlash. For developers and companies, this means the regulatory and legal environment around AI is tightening, and investors should anticipate increased scrutiny on AI companies' governance. Moving forward, the debate over AI wealth distribution and accountability will likely intensify, affecting everything from IPO plans to corporate strategy. AI stocks winners and losers. Apple's lawsuit against OpenAI may have boosted investor confidence in its IP strategy, driving its stock up 5.3% for the week. IonQ's sharp decline of 17.3% likely reflects continued volatility in quantum computing stocks as the market reassesses near-term revenue expectations. Watch Palantir next week. Its 4% gain this week suggests growing interest in its AI platform, and any new government contracts could drive further upside. Conclusion and key takeaways. This week, AI's dual nature was on full display. Databricks and Apple soared on AI momentum, while IonQ and Cerebras tumbled. The biggest takeaway is that AI's legal and ethical foundations are being tested, and the outcomes will shape the industry for years. Don't forget, subscribe for your weekly AI briefing every Saturday at 7 a.m. Next week, watch for updates on Apple's lawsuit against OpenAI and its impact on IPO plans. What was your biggest AI story this week? Drop it in the comments.